Mama.
Need help?
Mama. And
Coming.
electrical's gonna hold it on. I'm just gonna put it back up.
I got it. Odie, come on. Odie, come on.
Order!
Come on. Come on. Odie, come on. Odin, come on.
Hold on.
Come on. Let's have a bath.
It's demo time. It's demo time. Excellent. Let's see if I have a battery. I hit a hammer. Ho 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 ho. Hammer time. Oh, oh. That's not hammer time. That's the right stuff.
I'm actually getting to work better with her now.
Oh.
I can say this much about Barb.
She's a spaz.
She is like,
remember you're on video.
she's the most kind, generous, one of the most kind, generous people I've ever met.
You
She's
sound
always
like
thinking of other people and doing stuff for other people. She's way nice.
you sound like
She's
the
just a double, triple A personality. She's, you know, she's high speed, hyper, which she gets a lot of shit done, I can tell you that.
you sound like the people in the Manchurian Candidate. She's the kindest, most gentlest.
Whoa, whoa.
Sorry. I got a piece of the cabinet out. Okay, here's the dilemma. I don't have. This is where the range goes, so we got the gas line right there. There, gas line. I was standing in my own light. We have an outlet up here, which I think I'm going to move out in this area for the OTR. And we have an outlet inside this cabinet, which I'm thinking at one time housed a wall oven. So what I'm going to attempt to do is move this down into there. Keep that one up there for the OTR because it must be in a cabinet according to the instructions. That one won't be so hard. It's this one that's going to be the challenge. So that's where I'm at.